Hello, thank you for checking out my channel today. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on my reviews and opinions on different products. Today we are talking about the Tramontina portable ice maker. Okay, this Tramontina portable ice maker is good for road trips. You want to take which on the road, if you go into a cabin, or if you want to make extra ice at home. That's what we typically use it for, because on the weekends our ice maker on our refrigerator can't keep up with 5 of us burning through the ice. So on Friday we will turn it on and have it on the whole weekend, and we'll just make ice as we go. But as you can see, it makes 2 different sizes of ice cubes, large and small, and it has a feature that when the ice bin is full, it will turn. This red light will come on and says ice bin full, and the ice maker will turn off. Also, when it's time to add water, there's another light. When the water gets low, it tells you when to add the water. So we open the top here. It comes with this ice tray and the little scooper. The ice maker can make 9 cubes per cycle, and it takes 6 to 11 minutes. And this ice tray can hold up to 1.5 pounds of ice. Right, to get this ice maker started, you just pull your ice tray out, just pour your water right in. Put your tray back in. And go ahead and hit the start button. Well, on and off switch. Okay, it takes a few cycles for the ice to get to the right size, because there's oil on the bottom of the ice maker that has to cool off before it can actually make the right size ice cubes. But and another thing, whenever you buy one of these, it's probably in the instructions, but you have to let it sit upright for at least, I think it's like 10 hours or something. That's so the oil on the bottom of it can settle down, but it should be in the instructions. So this is how the size of the ice cubes are for the large size. So I mean, they're a pretty good size, and you get 9 of those for each cycle. So 1 out of 10, I give this ice maker a 10. It works pretty good, and it produces ice pretty fast. So that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the bottom right there, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my upcoming views and opinions. And if you have any comments, good, bad, ugly, leave them at the bottom. I'd like to hear from you. And thank you for watching.